If you're looking for a better way to power your business with insights, analysis, and much more features, then I've got two for you right now. I'm going to give you my honest opinion which one is better and why the link down below is going to get you the most exclusive deal. So let's get straight in. Guys, here's the first one, Zoho, okay? Now, Zoho, it says like it is here, your life's work powered by our life's work. It's a unique and powerful suite of software to run your entire business, brought to you by a company with a long-term vision to transform the way you work. Now, it has got a complete CRM platform involved in it with the people, the mailer campaigns, the desk, online workspace for teams, so you can have the assist, the sprints, the clicks, and the meetings. And guys, a lot of different bundles. You have your CRM Plus bundle, your People Bundle, Finance Bundle, IT Management, Workplace, and Marketplace. Now, a lot of people use this, okay, all for their sales, for their customer service, their email and collaboration. They use it for their financial institutions, their human resources, security and IT management, and custom solutions. Guys, it's a very, very good project. Trusted by over 18 million users globally. Now, I don't say don't go with Zoho. I'm saying I've got a better alternative for you. Before I even talk about the prices, let me show you what I've got. We've got CRM Sales Pro, all right? The reason I am so hyped about this is they empower your whole sales team with this ultimate business sales CRM. You don't need to choose different packages, all in one. There's many happy clients, companies that are using this all of the time, all right? I'm not gonna go deep into what this dashboard is, because I'm gonna actually sign in and show you what the dashboard looks like. It's Sales Pro friendly, all right? Unlocking your business sales potential with a friendly, user-friendly dashboard, increasing productivity and efficiency with all the different insights it has, and much more features than Zoho. Okay, we've got the contact center, where you centralized system that enables businesses to efficiently manage custom interactions through various channels. The invoicing section, so it has the invoicing feature allowing businesses to easily create and send invoices to clients. The meeting Sales Pro management feature, which allows businesses to schedule and organize meetings with such ease, and project work tracking. Now guys, there's so many insights to help you along the journey. It's literally a plug and play. I'm going to show you in 1 second, and you can manage meetings and team coordination. So let me log in and show you why I think this is much better than Zoho. So guys, now you can see inside of this how easy it is, right? The best thing about this is it's plug and play. So for example, go down the left, you've got your dashboard role, user, messenger, from builder, accounts, contacts, leads, and much more that I'll talk about. But as you click on them, it's as simple as click on the section you want to upload, click the create button, and it's plug and play. You don't have to type in all these things and have codes. All right, you want to call, you add that in, okay? Super easy, and press create. Then it's in there, okay? You have it in there. Same with the users, the messages from builders, the contacts, the leads, everything, all right? It changes when you go to your calendar. You can actually add it to certain days, weeks, or months, and you can add task, meetings, or calls. But simple, again, you click it, and it drop-down menus for everything. It's super, super easy, guys. This is why I love it. And once you've gone through everything and added all the information you need, all of the insights on the dashboard are there created for you. Now, let me talk about the most important thing, the price. I'm going to compare the prices for you right now. The price of Zoho, as you can see, has different packages, all right? And what I want to notice for you that this is paid monthly. Even if you click the yearly saving it, all right, at a monthly price of 50 euros every single month, just for the popular one, 65 euros every single month. Guys, let me show you CRM. $99 gets you the top package for life. Guys, I don't care if you choose the bottom package on Zoho. After 3 months, you are already saving money with CRM. Not only does it have everything extra, all the extra features, all the users, get 999 users, 999 accounts, 99 contacts, 10 gig cloud storage, all for one payment over a monthly fee. You don't need another monthly fee for something that doesn't have more features than CRM. So guys, hit that link down below right now and get this lifetime deal. There you go, guys. Now you know my honest opinion. CRM is by far the most powerful to use, and that link down below gets you an incredible lifetime deal. So guys, please do me a favor and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.